Hello everyone, today I bring you an unboxing video of the Lenovo. As you can see, the packaging is still the same as the Savior series. Once you hold it, you know it's a Savior product. Now let's proceed with unboxing. First, the package includes a strap and two air conditioners, which we can easily open like this. Alright, with this, we can also plan to remove this and take out our tablet. Once opened, it has this shape. Now, let's gently pick it up. Okay, these are the related accessories. Let's look at them for now. Let's first take a look at our tablet. Wow, it's so thin. It's really very thin, as you can see. It's just like a line. It feels very comfortable in hand. Take out the tablet. Let's see what else is in here. In the box, there's a pen tip. Then there's a warranty statement that says it's useless, and there's also a pen. This is waiting for me. This pen also comes with an extra pen tip, which is somewhat useful. If you like drawing, you might consider this tablet. And here we have a charging cable. This cable is a charging cable and also a charger. 68 watts. A 68-watt charger. The configuration has been the same for many years. Alright, now let's take a look at our tablet overall. Let's open this. Okay. This is our entire tablet. Okay, After seeing the back of our tablet, there's a big Savior logo, and this is a touch keyboard. Now let's power it on. Oh, this time it has two cameras and three power buttons to turn it on. This is Dolby marketing. The overall appearance looks very comfortable after opening. And let's do some simple setup. Okay. Now we have entered our latest system. As you can see, I'm particularly concerned about the damage to the eyes from large tablets. We can see that, there is no screen flicker. It has full brightness DC dimming, so it should be fine to use. As for the configuration, the one I have is let's see. The one I have is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. 900. The Y900 Pro 13 is overall usable. It's very lightweight and thin, much lighter than I expected. I thought it would be big and heavy, but in reality it's not that heavy at all. It's very thin and easy to handle. If you're interested, you can check it out. Thank you, everyone.